Have you ever heard of Camu Camu powder and cream of tartar? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you why I consume these two ingredients every day and how I prepare them. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing my cooking tips and tricks in my home kitchen with you on Amazon as well as on YouTube. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you these two ingredients that I purchased on Amazon in bulk and why I love using these as my morning beverage. Well, a lot of people like to consume electrolyte drinks. They purchase already prepared packages of electrolytes, but I like to just combine these two simple ingredients that help boost my energies in the morning and start my day off with a nice healthy dose of some healthy vitamins and minerals from food sources. Now, this is the Camu Camu powder that I like to buy. It's by Micro Ingredients on Amazon. This is organic freeze-dried Camu Camu powder. Now, the reason why I like this specific product is because this is a natural vitamin C. A lot of people consume vitamin C that's actually ascorbic acid. That's a man-made version of vitamin C, but this is actually a totally natural, really great source of vitamin C. In fact, I think it's probably one of the highest sources of vitamin C available. If you look here, 2 scoops right here has 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Okay, that's a lot of vitamin C coming from this tiny little Camu Camu berry. There's nothing else added to this package, which I really prefer because I don't like to really consume man-made synthetic vitamins. So this is, I found, to be a really great source of vitamin C from a natural food source. Now, cream of tartar is a byproduct of the winemaking process. It's a totally natural food. This is the Anthony's brand premium cream of tartar. This is food grade and non-GMO. I actually share another video of how I use this cream of tartar to make homemade baking powder. So this is in a lot of baking powders. It's an acid, but the reason why I actually consume this in the morning is for the potassium. Look at that. In one serving, which is 1 teaspoon, there's 850 milligrams of natural potassium. That's about 20% of the daily recommended value. So that's actually why I like to consume this in the morning to give myself a nice potassium boost. And like the Camu Camu powder, this is not a man-made synthetic vitamin. This is a totally natural form of potassium. So that's why I really like to add that to my diet. Okay, so what I use these two ingredients for is I make this into a mix and I put this into a little glass jar. This is my Ball glass jars with my favorite Ball leak-proof lids. All I do is I combine equal parts of Camu Camu powder and cream of tartar in this jar. I shake it up, and then in the morning I have 2 little scoopers of this. My goal is basically to have 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar and then 1 teaspoon of Camu Camu powder because I don't really need 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, but I want to have, a good serving of vitamin C in the morning. So you can kind of adjust this to however much of each of those that you prefer. You just need to look at the back and determine from the nutritional facts which one is best for you. But I like to do basically equal parts, and I'll show you that now. Okay, so first I'm going to add some of this cream of tartar powder. This looks basically like cornstarch, and I'm just going to add about equal parts into this cup here. I'm not trying to measure this perfectly. I'm just trying to get a ballpark for my personal needs. And this is what the Camu Camu powder looks like. Look how beautiful and pink that color is. So I'm just going to go ahead and do about 3 heaping tablespoons like I did with the cream of tartar. And this actually tastes really good. It's just a berry, so it's kind of got like a berry flavor. The cream of tartar is kind of like acidic, so it takes a little getting used to, but it's not bad. And I just put a little bit in some water, and then I just drink it down first thing in the morning. So there I have about equal parts. I'm just going to shake this up to mix it all together, and that's it. And there you go. There's my morning beverage. So the Camu Camu powder comes with a little scooper like this. This was the old scooper. They changed it to a different scooper, but they should be the same volume. So what I do specifically is I just do about 2 scoops, And then I mix it in about a cup of water, and that's it. See, it's nice and pink. I call it my morning pink drink. And another thing I do add to this drink, which I'm not sharing really in this recipe, is a little bit of Redmond's real salt, and that also gives me another little bit of sodium as even more of an electrolyte boost in the morning. Well, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to follow me on Amazon for more organic food deals and cooking tips and tricks. And be sure to check out my YouTube channel where I share a whole bunch of other cooking videos and more. And I highly recommend these two products on Amazon, so be sure to check out the links below of where you can purchase these in my Amazon storefront. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!